Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making some colorful mini planters, so let's get started. Now drawing the planters is really simple, and the trick is to draw the upper part of the planter first, then the sidelines, and lastly the bottom of the planter. And if you'll see closely, these are some simple C strokes combined all together. To this I have given a glass shape, and now I am adding some simple 3-petal flowers facing in different directions, and then lastly adding some filler leaves. Now the second one will be a cup shaped planter. Again drawing the upper C stroke first, then the side C stroke which are more wider than the previous one, and lastly the bottom C stroke. And I'm also giving an additional handle to this, then adding some loose rose flowers and daisies. Now the stems here will just touch the lower edge of the opening. That will also look like as if the plants are placed inside the cup. So likewise I'm drawing some different shapes and sizes of planters. Now I'm using micron fineliner pen to run over my pencil work, and while doing so you can recorrect the shape or can make slightly changes if you want to make any. And once this will done, we will then add some colors in it using watercolors. Now it's the time to add colors. You can use any watercolors that you have. and I'm using some very bright shades to paint the planters like pink, bluish and yellow. You can also try wet on wet technique. Just try not to use more pigment, instead use light washes of paint. Now once the paint dries, you can also decorate the planters by adding some dots, circles or diagonal lines according to the shape and size of the planters, like the way I'm doing over here. Lastly, I'm also adding some colors to the flowers and leaves as well using the Brustro miniature brush. So this is how the mini planters looks like. I really hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you'll be trying this out, then you can directly send your work to my Insta account. The link is mentioned in the description box. Also do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the bell icon for all the future notifications, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.